What's up, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I will be talking about how my channel She Walkin went from $100 to $1,000 and dropping back to $200. So yeah, I mean, if you look at it, I am still I'm still making $100 than I was before. But then reaching $1,000 and dropping back again left me a little bit sad. But then, I mean, this is what life does, it's not gonna be constant and there's gonna be up and down. Plus, I don't really have to worry about my food and shelter as of now, so I can still make do with it. So, what happened with She Walk-In was while I was uploading videos of Haridwar Kumbh Mela, there was one video that made me reach the top, but then that was the same video that made me reach the most bottom of it. So yeah, so the thumbnail of that video was of a Naga Baba. Now Naga Baba is basically somebody who has renounced everything, including all of his clothes. So putting that thumbnail triggered a lot of people in different ways, and it got a lot of clicks. I think I reached 4 million views from that video itself. But then what happened was that it was a violation of rules, and you cannot have nudity in your YouTube videos, so YouTube just put it down. Like, it's still available, but it doesn't go to places anymore. So yeah, so now I will be sharing the analytics of the channel so that we can get more clearer view of what happened. Okay, start sharing. So we'll go to analytics. Now if we go to, it was the month of July when we were doing good. It's June. We'll do 90 days. So as you can see that until end of June we were having a regular views, and then by the end of June we got more views. So 28 June 16,000, 29 June 27,000, 30th June 1,13,000, 1st July 3,19,000, 3,79,000, 4,23,000. So this is all from just one video, that Naga Baba video. Then by this time YouTube recognized that this is something off and it doesn't want to promote it as much, so slowly it brought the video down. So then we were at 3,98,000, 2,30,000, 1,50,000, 95,000, then again a little bit up, 1 lakh for a while, then 87,000. So this period only started from 28th June until 27th July. Oh, sorry, 17th July. 87,000, 76,000, then drastic drop down to, I can't see, 29,000, 12,000, 10,000, 10,000, 9,000, 8,000, and now we are at 3,000 to 3,000 per day. So we can see that before the spike we were actually doing slightly better. No, we were same. So this means that there is not like an actual growth didn't happen in terms of views after the spike. Like, the spike came, we had the views, and then when it went down we lost all the views. We did get a lot of what do you call this, subscribers, which was far away. I think, yeah, so you can see I was around 3,500 something before the spike, and then like per day I am getting 300 subscribers, 700, 600, 700, 400, 300, 200. So yeah, I mean, I went from 3,000 to 13,000, so that is also growth. Like, I cannot be such a crybaby about it, because I did get 10,000 extra subscribers, which with this stats might not have been possible so soon. Like, it would still slowly go there, but not so soon. So that spike did bring a lot of beautiful changes, of course, I mean, for sure. And then now let's go to the fun part, the revenue. So before this I was making like 200, 300, 400 rupees a day. Then first time, no, this is from my member. So it started around July 27th again, 500, 1000, 3,400, 6,700, 5,000, 5,000, and this is per day, which is like what? I make that for 1 month. Like, it takes full month to get that, and this is one day. What? And yeah, so then after the drop down, we went to 3,000, 3,000, 2,000, then 1,000, 800, 1,000, then 800, 400, 500, 600. These little spikes are actually from my members. Thank you so much for supporting She Walk In. And now we are, so even till here we were doing okay, because we were at least making 500 rupees a day. But lately I have only been making like 300, 400 rupees, sometimes 200 even. So I mean, this is not bad, because this is what I made before, and I was okay with it. But then when I made 5,000 rupees a day, and then when suddenly I made 500, and after that I was making 200 or 300, I was like, oh my god, I am too sad for this. But yeah, I mean, great lesson learned, that, you know, Shivani, stay on the ground, keep working, do not get attached to the money, do not let it get into your head. Make small and keep working. That is all that you are here for. Like, money will come and go, it's okay. These are the things that I remind myself, so that I do not fall into that hole. Okay, so next we will go to reach. So 32 million impression means that my video, mostly that one only, has reached 32 million people, which is mind blowing. And then click through rate is this. So yeah, in these days I was the impression was like 3 million per day. Now it's again low. An impression is not really like the views, of course, they are only the, okay, do you want to watch this video, people click, then that becomes view. Views are also like 4 million. This was not possible for a very, very long time with the same speed, of course, but with the spike we did get this number. So you can see that every day views were 3 lakhs. Yeah, we already did views, no? Yeah. Then we go to the traffic source. So this was all from the browse. Now browse is always short term, because browse attention is coming from the home page where there are 8 videos in the first screen, and then when people click that, that is when, so this is your first impression kind of video. So browse is good to get the spike, but this is not going to last long. What will actually last long is the suggested. If people are clicking my video on the side, on the suggested box, that is actual growth, because, you know, that is not few seconds attention. Okay, so we can see this is all from browse. See the numbers, channel pages, suggested, all of these are 9,000, 2,000, 1,000, 1,000. but this is 3 lakhs. So this is all coming from the browse. Like, naked man, what is going on? I'll click that. Now if we go to video, analytics किधर यही है. So you can see this was uploaded much before. No, not much before. 2 days before getting the spike, and then this is the spike. This video alone got me 50,000 rupees. So this is what it is, guys. Like, if you are also creators and you're like thinking in terms of quantity or something, like how is this possible? Because even before this I had no clue how will I be making more money, because I will still be walking and these videos will still be like half hour, maybe 1 hour, maybe to most tremendous places, but then I still didn't know how will this bring me big money. So this is just one video. One video can make your channel into something. It got me 10,000 subscribers and a lot of money. 50,000 rupees from just one video is mind-blowing. And if this wouldn't have been like the violation, then I would still be making a lot of money from this one video. So all the work that we do on the channel, of course, we make a library. There are a lot of options, we keep uploading and all of those things. But the actual fun begins with that one video spiking up either through browse features or through suggested. Suggested is more better because it's gonna last longer. But yeah, that is my story with not making as much money. But then it's okay. I think maybe this was a lesson for me as well, because when I did make money, I was like, oh my god, I'm telling my friends that look, this finally happened, and this and that and this and that. So maybe it was my ego trip. I don't know. I wasn't really like on the roof screaming how good it is, but then I was still telling people, and I don't know, something went off, but it was still a life lesson for me that Shivani, calm down. You're gonna go up, but then you're also gonna come down. So it's all right, and hopefully one of the videos from the present times or the future again takes me to that spike again, and I can make money. Until then, we are good. We are a small community, and I get beautiful support from my She Walkin audience. I think that's all I need for now. Maybe this is what is in my bucket. No, I mean, maybe this is all that I have to make right now. But hopefully in the future, another video of She Walkin or this channel will hit a spike, and the car of earning money will take a speed. Until then, we are good. We have food, we have shelter, and we have beautiful audience. So that is my sad story, which is not so sad. I mean, I still made a little bit of money, decent bit actually. And yeah, let's hope for the best. Thanks a lot for watching. Namaskara.